Poco, a popular technology brand among the world's young techies, today announced the global debut of Poco X3 GT, a performance speedster designated for entertainment and mobile gaming. It will be available soon in multiple regions, including Southeast Asia, Middle East, Latin America and Africa. Starting at 15,990 pesos, the Poco X3 GT boasts a MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chip with dual 5G SIM, 120Hz dynamic switch-dot display, a high-resolution 64-megapixel triple camera, and for the first time ever on Poco smartphones, 67 watts turbocharging technology to rapidly charge its 5000 mAh high-density battery. Plus, Poco X3 GT is built tough, with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus prevents most scratches and cracks. Poco X3 GT has been freshly designed to showcase a more refined, premium look. The rounded edges and lightweight design, weighing only 193 grams with a thickness of 8.9 mm, offers a comfortable grip. Poco X3 GT is available in 3 stylish colors. Stargaze Black provides a classic glossy finish, while Cloud White and Wave Blue give a dash of personality and contemporary design.